Honestly, I think I've struggled with my oral health since I was a little kid. I think I learned from a really young age to be able to talk without showing my teeth. My name is Melissa Gonzalez. I'm originally from New Jersey. I would say the biggest struggle was just cavities. And I was a smoker, very heavy smoker. It was just always like, okay, we'll fill the cavities and then 6 months later, back to the dentist with more cavities. I cracked my back molar eating pasta. Pasta's soft, but I cracked it on a crushed red pepper. There has to be a solution.
One of the things that I noticed in Melissa, she suffered from cavities. Melissa was a smoker. She hadn't been to the dentist in many years. Melissa had neglected her oral health for a few years, and she was ready to make a change.
I found Dr. Alberto, Dr. Implant, through social media, actually. So I made an appointment with him from the beginning, just into making the appointment. Everybody that I spoke with or needed help from in any way was super sweet, super accommodating, super helpful. My first visit here, I met Dr. Alberto and I got to talk to him.
I believe Melissa chose us because she met me in that first consult. She met with a doctor. She had an appointment at another office the very next day. And when she went to that other office, she says that they stuck her in the room and she didn't even get to see the doctor.
I went to another dentist. I didn't even get to meet the dentist. So as soon as I left there, I called back Dr. Implant and I was like, I want my Dr. Implant smile.
For Melissa, I recommended the Dr. Implant Smile using an FP1 design. The FP1 design is made for younger patients like Melissa, and it preserves their gums and their bones.
The procedure itself was super simple on my end. I didn't feel an ounce of pain. I didn't have any swelling on my face. I didn't get one bruise. I've never felt mouth pain ever again. The first time I picked up the mirror and I saw my Dr. Implant smile, I was shocked. Like, I couldn't believe it. I've never seen my teeth look that perfect, like that beautiful. I was just like, wow. Overall, it just changes everything. I'm super confident. I feel like I always want to talk now. I talk with my hands, but they're not covering my mouth anymore, that's for sure. So I think just overall, it's like it boosted my confidence. It restored my self-esteem. My new smile just kind of gave me life back. Life that I didn't think I would really have again.
The Dr. Implant Smile was able to not only transform her life, but it was able to get her to stop smoking and improve her health. And that's what makes me the most proud.
I would absolutely give anybody a referral for Dr. Implant. The experience here has been an absolute pleasure. It's life-changing. It's worth it. I love my Dr. Implant smile.